Hello, welcome back to Art Time with Mr. Gabe. I hope that you've had a good vacation and you're ready for more online school. So this week we're going to be showing you how to make a picture like this one. This picture is a landscape picture, and it has like a foreground, has a middle ground and a background. So the picture has lots of different colors and also lots of different patterns and textures. We can call these textures in a picture like this, including even using writing as a texture, as you see up here. So you can follow this pretty much exactly if you want, or you can change it. You could add your favorite animal could be here in the picture somewhere if you want to, or you could put yourself in the picture if you want to. You know, it can be adapted. That means it can be changed as much as you like. Main thing is to have fun making art. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to build up our landscape picture step by step. If you want to use a pencil first, you can, of course. Then you can erase anything if you don't like it. But I'm just going to go straight ahead and use a marker. At the bottom, let's start with some rocks. So these can be kind of random shapes, and some big, some small. Next, let's have some spiky grass. And then kind of coming up the picture a little bit now, let's just have like a smooth sloping hillside. And then let's have just above that, so about halfway up the page, let's have another hill, and we're going to put a tree here. And we could have some water, like a straight line. Could have a little lake here in the distance. And now we're going to have some big mountains. Let's have some leaves on the tree. And that's pretty good. Let's just have a cloud here. So the next thing to do is the colors and patterns. And here are the colors that I'm going to use. Mostly kind of natural colors, like lots of greens there and a brown, but also some other colors like this purple, and there are oranges, just to kind of make the picture more vibrant, colorful. Maybe there are some flowers in the picture, something like that. Alright, actually I'm going to start with black though, and we're going to do these rocks first of all, and I'm going to use straight lines for the texture of the rocks, because this picture is not just about changing colors for each different section of the landscape, it's also about changing textures. The texture is created by the different kinds of lines we use, maybe if we use pencils instead of markers, that gives a different texture, or of course paints or anything else. So yes, lots of different textures in this picture. Yes, so this next texture is lots of like overlapping circles or squiggles. So the last thing to do is the sky, and quite a fun texture is to use letters or words to make a texture. So you could could write anything you want. It could be a story written in the sky. I'm just going to repeat the phrase, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. And I'm not leaving any spaces. I'm doing that on purpose. Normally, when you're writing something, you wouldn't squash all your letters together. But in this case, I want that because I want it to look like a texture, like the rest of the picture. So here's the finished picture, and I hope you like it. I hope you like making this piece of art yourself, and of course, as always, don't forget to share your work.